Hello! Today I have full body yoga, so hop into something comfy and let's get started. Come into seated position, hands on your knee, palm to the sky, lower your neck gently. Switch direction. Pause here. Lower your shoulder. Switch direction. Okay. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, twist. 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 Come back to center. Inhale, arm up. Exhale, side bend, stretch. Take a deep breath inside body. Switch side, arm up. Bend to the side. One more. Arm up. Exhale. Switch side. Arm up. Exhale. Okay. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, cactus the arms. Bend your elbow. Squeeze shoulder blade together. One more. Arms up. Exhale, cactus the arms. Open your chest. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, cactus. Okay. Come onto hands on your knee. Cat and cow. Spread your finger. Inhale. Open your chest, arch your back. Exhale, align your back. Look your belly. Cow pose. Inhale, cow pose. Arch your back. Exhale, cat pose. Align your back. Moving at your own pace. neutral position. Come onto your belly. Sphinx pose. Open your chest. Forearm to the mat. Inhale and exhale. Place your elbow under your shoulder. Okay. Come into child pose to rest. Relax your forehead to the mat. Connect to the earth. Relax your shoulder and neck, then back and legs, your belly, arms, hand, fingertips. Focus on your breath. Feel your heartbeat. Slowly wake up. Walk your hand. Come into cross-legged seated position. Inhale, arms up, palms touch. Exhale, hand to the heart center. One more. Arms up. Exhale, hand to the heart center. Last one. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, hand to the heart center. Slowly open your eyes. Thank yourself for showing up today. See you.